the golden eagle. This is the Écrin National Park. Here the ibex have developed a collective surveillance system. This young ibex has just been born. He is not the only one. All the births have taken place in the last few days. The matriarch's job is to look out for the baby snatcher. Female ibex keep watching groups over the herd's young. A kind of high-altitude nursery. The alarm is raised. Too fast. Despite their dedication, the females regularly lose little ones.